how to unlock SSS online account, click lang natin yung Google and then search SSS login, my SSS, click natin yan. So guys, naka-encounter ako na nalock yung ating SSS account. So, i-unlock natin siya guys. Punta lang tayo dun sa forgot password and then click member. Choose multi-factor authentication. Click next. And then i-type natin yung ating SSS number. And then choose authentication. So pinili ko is SMS. And then type lang natin dyan yung one-time PIN through SMS. Then click proceed. Then, dito natin siya guys ilalagay yung ating bagong password. So, pag okay na, submit, then click yes. So, your password has been updated successfully. You may now log in. Save lang natin siya guys para pag mag-login tayo sa susunod din na tayo mahirapan mag-type. And then, one-time PIN through SMS. Click lang natin dyan yung one-time PIN. Then, click login. So, ganun lang siya kadali guys. Click natin I agree.